If you're in the market for a luxurious front-wheel drive land yacht, look no further. A 2009 Cadillac DTS was kept in storage with 642 miles. For nearly 15 years, the Cadillac CTS is a mid-size luxury car that was produced by General Motors under its Cadillac brand. It was first introduced in 2002 as a replacement for the Cadillac Catera and has gone through several generations and variations over the years. The CTS was positioned to compete with other luxury sedans in its class, such as the BMW 3 Series and Mercedes-Benz C-Class. While the model targeted younger consumers, Cadillac wasn't ready to call it quits on front-wheel drive land yachts. Quite the opposite, as the XTS stuck around until 2019. However, we're looking at the Cadillac DTS today, as an excellent example has surfaced on Craigslist with a mere 642 miles, 1,033 on the odometer. Since this particular model is from 2009, that equates to roughly 43 miles, 69 kilometers per year. The listing doesn't say why the car was rarely driven, but it describes the DTS as a true barn find that was equipped with every option available for the time. These are said to include a heated, ventilated, and massaging front bench, as well as an infotainment system with GPS navigation. Besides being well-equipped, the interior looks virtually brand new, as we can see immaculate dark wood trim and leather upholstery. The exterior appears to be in excellent condition, as well as there is not a single scratch or rock chip on the paint. However, the seller notes one of the taillights is cracked and will be replaced shortly. The listing also says the car has been equipped with a new battery and 17-inch wheels with modern Michelin tires. The car is interesting, but the seller is looking to get $20,000. That's a big ask, but you don't come across models like this every day. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos.